up, Jerry? What was that? Oh, hey.
Yo, come on.
Now you're just doing it for the camera.
I had to reset.
2 points. So what's
13-9.
the score? 13-9. We can make a quick comeback, Jerry. Just drop a couple in the hole and we're good.
There we go. Oh!
Oh, hey.
I got robbed.
Oh.
No.
I see what you're trying to do. You're trying to slide them up in there.
That's good.
Come on. Put it on board.
What'd you call this game again, Jerry?
Skeeter ball or something.
You said like Skeeter Face or something like that.
What was it?
You said Skeeter Face or something like that.
Skeeter shank?
I don't know.
Hey!
Hey!
Scooter dude, something.
Scooter dude.
Ah! We're beating us on onesies.
Come on.
It's a slow death for you guys.
All right,
Nick, you're up.
finish it off. It's like the Holy Communion. Hey, now.
Film on this game.
Yeah, you're taking a long time.
Stubbed my toe.
Likely excuse.
Good shot.
Ooh, nice.
Let's get 2 in a row here.
Oh.
I say I hit.
That's a break time.
It hit the board. It didn't hit the ground. So we got 3.
All right.